Hi, this is Catherine Parker, and I'm in the Lost Maples State Natural Area in the western edge of the Texas Hill Country, just a few miles outside of the highway intersection they call Vanderpool, Texas. I'm here in early October, and I kind of want to show you around. Lost Maples State Natural Area is home to the big tooth maple. I'm on the Maple Trail, which is about a mile trail. Pretty even terrain. It is a little bit rocky, but it's great for kids. There's also other additional trails on the West Trail and the East Trail that are just a tad bit under 5 miles each, some of them strenuous. I want to show you around the campsite. Here we are, we have a picnic table, it's covered, lantern pole, fire pit. The sites do come with water and electricity. They're a little close together, but it's a quiet area. There's not too many sites. It's just this one little area. Driveway. There's not really a camping pad. Let me show you what there is. It's just up here. So it's kind of covered with grass, and the limb's a little low, but that's the camping pad for this one site. And again, I'm in Lost Maples Natural State Area outside of Vanderpool, Texas, in the western edge of the Texas Hill Country.